Hi viewers, I am going to do a vegetarian preparation. What about you? You also like all the time, we can't be having chicken and meat and fish and all that. It's nice to have once in a way a vegetarian preparation. So the vegetarian preparation when you do, it has to be something really worthwhile and it should be nourishing and good to eat also. So we will see how we are going to make and what we are going to make. Today what I am going to do is baby corn, we have mushroom and of course all these things to use, and we are going to prepare a nice preparation. Nourishing and healthy food, if I say, to see the food that I am preparing. The first thing that I am going to use here is bean curd. Bean curd only I have used here, and a little bit of water I will use. Bean curd is very nice. You can try it out with bean curd. And we have two other preparations also with that coming. Now first thing I will just boil this for a while. Now what I am going to do is I'll use the mushroom. After another minute we will add the balance. I have three preparations. I told you we are using the mushroom, baby corn, and all this together goes very well. A nice preparation of a vegetarian dish. The water comes out from the bean curd also, so we'll wait for a minute. Right, now what I am going to do is I'll add the oil. Stir fry. Bean curd, mushroom and the baby corn, all that together we are stir frying. I'm going to add the seasoning now, starting with salt, then turmeric. I won't use any other preparation now itself. Let this get stir fried. Right, now what I am going to do is I am going to add the onions, garlic, curry leaves also. Let this also get fried. And if you like red and green pepper I can use, that is, it's not necessary, but if you want you can use that also. Now what I am going to do is a chicken cube. Can you see? A chicken cube. I am going to break it. Either a chicken cube or a vegetable cube you can use. Chicken or vegetable. If you are a pure vegetarian, a vegetable cube can be used, or vegetable stock. That also we can use. Vegetable stock could be used here. Now what I am going to do is cumin seed. I need about a teaspoon of cumin seed, which I will slightly crush it. After crushing this, that is also added. Now I am getting a good flavor. Along with that, now what I am going to do is I am going to use a little milk. Fresh milk, coconut milk, whatever you want, you could use here. Once it is stir fried, you can add all that. So far, you know, I haven't used any other hot seasoning. So, I'm using a little chili pieces. We love chili pieces, so we always prefer to use more of chili pieces. But if you don't like, you can always omit it. And of course, what about chili powder? Now, all this you are watching now, which I am using only now after adding the milk. Before adding the milk, I couldn't use all the hot seasoning because you will start coughing and you won't be able to prepare it in the proper way. Like with the milk, I added pepper, chili pieces and the chili powder, which goes very well here. Let it get simmer a little so that we will know what is happening here. We put a little curry leaves, but I am not going to use coriander, but I am going to use a little mint, which I like mint leaves. Always we use coriander leaves, so we will use today a few mint. If you like, you can have it with gravy, you can put a little more milk. I have used 1 cup milk, but if you like, you can use more milk. Other than that, you can have it without the gravy much. Now this is my preparation of the vegetarian preparation. We are going to dish it out, serve with rice. Can you see? Beautiful, nice. With plain rice, you could serve this. This type of preparation is nice to have with plain rice. When you say plain rice, sambar rice, basmati rice, red rice, superb. But you don't have to have it fried rice or don't have any other preparation like plain rice. And this preparation, it's really delicious. If you like, what you could do is, you can always mix the rice and this preparation and have it as a wholesome meal. Try it out and see how it comes, because this is something really nice, nourishing and healthy food. I hope you will enjoy this, and I enjoy preparing this, and of course I love it because I prepare it for you. So I will meet again with another recipe very soon. Thank you.